Welcome back to my channel. I'm out here visiting my dad at a cemetery. I come here a couple times a week to smoke a cigar, hang out with him, and I'm doing a video that's unedited and unscripted. And today, I would like to talk to you about allowing the universe with its infinite organizing power to be your PR agent, your marketing director. With all that the universe has in its infinite organizing power, it has the ability to bring you people, places, situations in the most amazing and unexpected ways. I'm here to remind you that the God that you are, the Christ consciousness that you are, with the entire backing of the universe, has the incredible ability to bring to you exactly what you need at exactly the right time. I'm also here to remind you that the 3D reality that you find yourself in is nothing more than the outcome of assumptions and beliefs that you had in the past. And you can immediately change your environment just by changing your assumptions, changing your beliefs, and totally aligning yourself with the truth that you have consented to be true. If you say in the end result of your desires, if you keep returning to the end result, the universe has no choice but to bring together with its infinite organizing power people, places, and things. And it bridges a series of events taking you closer to your true desires and to whatever you have assumed to be true. And that applies to every area of your life, every section of your life. You don't need to hire a marketing firm. You don't need to rely on men to give you what you need. The universe is there for that purpose. I can't tell you how many times I have been led to amazing situations when I was willing to step back and allow the universe to do that work for me. But it's up to you. It's up to you to make that change internally and keep going to the end result. If you want more money, visualize your bank account having a certain amount. If you want a special person, visualize actually having the kind of relationship that you want in your mind, and do it with feeling. But don't force anything. We have been brainwashed to think that we have to make things happen, when in reality, all we have to do is change from within, make new assumptions, and let them happen. Let the universe, again, with all its infinite organizing power, create a series of events allowing you to move forward into the new reality. So today's message is, let the universe do that for you. Let the universe be its marketing director for you. And sooner or later, you will be given prompts. You will be given thoughts that feel natural. And by taking inspired action, you get closer to your dreams. Let me know what you think in the comments.